is World Stroke Day, October 29th in the year of 2021. When it comes to stroke, every minute matters. World Stroke Day being observed on October 29 is an opportunity to create more awareness of the serious nature and high prevalence rate of stroke. For the year 2021, the campaign is focused on increasing awareness of the signs of stroke and the need for timely access to the quality treatment. The theme this year is Minutes Can Save Lives. During this period, in a few days, this year COP26 Climate Change Conference is going to be held in Glasgow, UK from 1st November to 12th November. These climate changes or air pollution is important to precipitate stroke. I want to discuss a few points about the air pollution and the impact of stroke during this time. Stroke causes more than 6 million deaths each year and leaves behind an even greater number with significant disability. Modifying risk factors like diabetes, hypertension, sedentary life can give rise to stroke. More major recent discovery is the influences of environment on cardiovascular health, including stroke. Environmental pollution is considered the third largest contributors to disability adjusted life years due to stroke. There are top 10 causes of death from environmental factor. Of these, stroke stand first. Out of 8.2 millions of deaths, about 12.6 million are caused by environmental factor due to non-communicable diseases. Air pollution is the leading risk factor for stroke worldwide. Global burden of disease study, air pollution accounted for almost 29% of global stroke burden, with low and middle income countries being more severely affected. In South Asia and Sub-Saharan African countries, 40% of the disability adjusted life years due to stroke were attributed to air pollutions. In another alarming finding from the study was the contribution of household air pollution from incomplete combustion of fossil fuel in the low to middle income countries. Both short term and long term exposure to particulate air pollution has been recognized as important risk factor for myocardial disease, stroke, and heart failure. So, stroke is the important outcome in environmental related air pollutions. So it is the duty for every citizen to avoid air pollutions. So we have to take a pledge and contribute with lifestyle changes to keep the global temperature rise below 1.5 degree and to restore nature and to prevent the stroke in and to prevent the stroke in this World Stroke Day 2021. I am Dr. M.A. Ali, neurologist from ABC Hospital, Trichy, Tamil Nadu, India. Thank you so much.